2018 A5 Sportback 12-volt solutions provides a remote starter kit that doesn't require you to do any special programming or tear your car apart. So one of the things I wanted to show you today was the install. This unit is already installed in the car and it's already working. I'll show you, a test run after we look at the back. But one of the beautiful things about the A5 Sportback is that getting to the unit, the BCM, is significantly easier than going through a Q7 where you have to do a lot of teardown. So we'll show you that, and you can get a look at everything.
So the first thing that we're going to do is grab the key box out of our install kit. You're just going to use a little screwdriver, pop it open here. We need to take the battery out of one of the remotes, and then the remote is going to reside in the box. Close it up, and then it has a port here that plugs into our harness. So to remove the battery, you have a little press tab on each side, so just go ahead and push that, and then you can pull the key shank out. Push those same deals and pull the piece out right there, and there will be a battery in here, which obviously I've already removed, so pop it out. Go ahead and reassemble the key. And step one is done.
The difference between this car and your Q7s, your Q5s, anything like that is that in the Q7 you have to remove this entire piece right here. You have to take out your mat, and you have to remove these pieces here to get this component out and pull out the cover for your tire so that you can get to the BCM and put in the remote start. But one of the beautiful things about the new A5 Sportback is you don't have to do that, and it makes installing this unit significantly easier. So on this car, you literally open up the panel, and your BCM is right here. So in the Audi A5 Sportback, you'll see this bolt right here. That's a 10mm factory bolt that you can remove, and this whole BCM module will come out of the vehicle. It'll literally just pop to the side. You'll flip it back over right here on this panel and let it hold on the panel. And then you can plug in all of your connectors from 12 volt, this brown connector, and all the other connectors.
I usually start with the brown one, but basically we're going to have the brown, the black, the blue, and the other black with the purple tab on it. The little square black one over in the corner will not be used. So grab your pry tool or your screwdriver. These do have the lock clips on it, so basically they're down. You cannot get to the clip, so just pop that little red tab up, and now you can push the tab in and release it. You will be able to see that on our harness here, how that is positioned. So go ahead and take that one out. I usually do these one by one. You plug it in, pop the tab down, go ahead and plug our harness back in, and do that for the following connectors. Once you guys have the BCM connectors hooked up, grab the key box and plug the green connector into it. Now go ahead and grab the remote start module and the other end of our harness. Follow the install guide on how to connect and program the module. But once you have everything plugged into it, you basically just turn the ignition on. It'll self-program in about 15 seconds. Turn the ignition off and you are good to go.
So for this, once the module's installed, the car will start.